Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com. I'm here with I Have Too Many Ideas Part 2. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with the number of ideas that you have, of course in Part 1 I talked about take those ideas and spread them out over the next 5 years and really map them out. It lets you relax knowing I don't have to do anything about this year other than think about it, maybe lay a little bit of foundation, but I can wait until 5 years from now or 4 years from now to even start. But here's the second thing. Once you've done that, you've laid it out, you want to look at the ideas over the next couple of years and really get still as a kind of meditation and ask yourself, where do I feel stuck with this? What do I not know how to do? What support do I need in making these things happen? Because sometimes what happens is we have these big ideas and these big goals, and they're little practical things like, oh, I'll need to create a website for that. Oh, I have no idea how to create a website. Oh, I need to start doing online video. God, how do you even begin with online video, etc. So look at each one by one, and just notice, where do I feel stuck? What don't I know how to do? What feels overwhelming to me about, okay, I'm overwhelmed, but why am I overwhelmed? Because I don't know how to what? And make a list. Do that for the first couple of years, especially the first year. And once you've done that and you've got a list, solve all of those things. And how do you do that? You ask for help. And prioritize them. First of all, you're going to go through all those things you don't know how to do. It's like, and there's often going to be some common ones. Oh, I need to know how to make online video for all these things. Great, okay, that's a big one. So you might put a 1, a 2, or a 3 next to every single thing that's sort of incomplete for you that you don't know how to do, or you feel overwhelmed by, that you need support with, and start with the ones and just handle them. Make the time. You probably know somebody who can help you with a bunch of these, or you know people who could help you with these. And just ask for help. Once you knock everything off that list, you might be amazed how smoothly the year goes. But if you don't do that, you might be amazed how many years it takes you to even get to the things that you put in year 1. So there you go. Quick little tip. Hopefully that's helpful. If you want more tips from me, of course you can subscribe here, hit the red button and the bell icon. I've got little tips all the time on Instagram. You can follow me there. If you want to be on my email list, there's emails that come out 2 or 3 times a week with all sorts of tips in them, and little heads ups on what's coming up for me, workshops, 30-day programs I do, and that's at marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit. You can check that out. And there's also a bunch of free stuff on my website. Feel free to check that out. Thanks, everyone.